All right, this is the video for quiz number 8, which is the Bounce the Ball Lab follow-up. We'll go ahead and get started. Looking at your graph, what observation does the data show you? Is it A, more potential energy led to a higher return bounce? B, more potential energy led to a lower return bounce? C, there was less potential energy the higher the ball was released? Or D, there was the most potential energy when the ball was at 40 centimeters. Number 2, what variable was on the x-axis on your graph? Was it A, the dependent variable, B, the independent variable, C, the bounce height, or D, ordered pairs? Number 3, what variable was on your y-axis? Was it A, the dependent variable, B, the independent variable, C, the drop height, or D, the title of your graph? Number 4, how does potential energy relate to the bounce height of the ball? A, potential energy does not affect the bounce height. B, lower potential energy makes the ball bounce lower. C, higher potential energy makes the ball bounce lower. Or D, the graph doesn't show us this information. Number 5, the controlled drop height is called the blank. Is it A, the independent variable, B, the dependent variable, C, the result of the experiment, or D, the coordinate plane? Flip over to the back here. We'll go ahead and get started on number 6. Number 6, the bounce height depends on the blank. Does the bounce height depend on the drop height? Is it B, the bounce height depends on the unit of measure? Is it C, the bounce height depends on the ordered pair? Or is it D, the bounce height depends on the dependent variable? Number 7, if we drop the ball from 200 centimeters, we could make the prediction that the bounce height would be blank than if we dropped it from 100 centimeters. So if we drop the ball from 200 centimeters, we can make the prediction the ball would be lower than if we dropped it from 100 centimeters. The bounce height would be the same if we dropped it from 100 centimeters. The bounce height would be higher than if we dropped it from 100 centimeters. Or we can't tell that information from our chart. Number 8, if we drop the ball from 100 centimeters, we should expect the bounce height to be around A, 200 centimeters, B, 150 centimeters, C, 100 centimeters, or D, 40 centimeters. We should expect the bounce height to be around one of those numbers. Go ahead and look at your chart if you need to make that prediction. Number 9, when making a chart or graph from a data table, we need to make sure that we label the title, independent variable, dependent variable, and clearly label all data points. Is this true or is this false? And our last question is number 10. The data in our chart shows that potential energy is related to kinetic energy. Is this true or is this false? Go ahead and take a second to go back over your work to see if there's anything that you missed or you need to reread. And good luck.